So I really don't know how to make intros. So here's a cat dancing.
Yes.
Hope you enjoyed that intro. Anyways, in today's Animal Rivals video, we're gonna be doing random loadouts. And basically, I'm gonna use a website called Wheel Picker, and I'm gonna put all the guns that I have and put them on a wheel and just spin that first gun of the wheel and spin that thing. Spin it. See what we get. Come on. Oh. And we got I'm kind of mad. Anyways, done. Next, whatever. You know what? Fine. Let's just put it in our inventory. Whoa. Gotta put that right here. Oh my gosh. Can you go right there? Okay. Where is it? Where is smoke grenade? I've never been so mad that I got a gun in my entire life. Okay, spin again. Give me like Deagle. I like Deagle. Deagle would be amazing on this. Shotgun. Yes. Yes! Shotgun, baby! Let's go! Okay. We got shotgun. Let's put that in there. We got 6 left. Okay. Let's spin it. Spin that thing. Give me pistol. Revolver. Yes. Oh! 2 left. Let's see what we got. One more. And if I get another thing, I'm gonna have to go above it. I got shotgun again. Come on. Let's go! Grenade launcher, baby! We finally got it. Okay. Now let's go into a 2v2 and play. Okay. For the first round,
My loadout.
Match starting.
Knife. Gun.
Round starting.
For the first round, we're gonna go against someone easy, and then we're gonna ramp up the difficulty.
Oh, dang!
Okay. Pretty good.
I got headshotted. I mean, he got headshotted. I headshotted him. Wait. Oh.
For the first round, we're going against battle predators, and then we're gonna get it like easier. What? My armor's stuck. Holy! Got one.
Bro, teammate, what are you doing?
Aw, dude. I'm so washed. I can't believe I just got to a battle. It's fun. Aw.
Oh, wait,
okay.
Good job.
He's using okay.
Good job.
Stay far away from him. He's using shotgun.
Round starting.
I also have shotgun though.
I think I hit someone.
No!
How is this guy not dead?
I got him low.
Got one.
You got this?
How is he not dead? I'm out. I'm cooked. I might be cooked. Where is he?
He's running.
There we go. Why did that took so long? I'm terrible with revolver. 44. See him.
I got one.
I'm getting
the other one.
punked. $90. Come on.
He's on the side.
Yeah! Okay.
Nice.
Whew, okay. Got this.
We got this. If you just go one and I kill the other, that's fine.
Yeah, yeah.
Round starting.
Got one. Whew. Okay.
Round starting.
Oh,
No. We got this stuff.
they're using shotgun. Okay. Stay
Yeah,
far
I know.
away. Stay far
Do
away.
you have shotgun? Do you have
Yeah, I have shotgun.
Round starting.
Okay.
Okay. Stay far away from them. Got one.
Got him low.
Oh, get him. You got this. Watch out. Nice. Nice. Okay, that game was pretty good, but it was Battle Predator, so it was kind of easy. Now we're going to go into like some silverbacks, which is basically my rank. So let's see what we get. Sure. Oh. Oh, this is going to feel so good. Oh, yeah. This is going to be good. Well, where is this bad boy, bro? AK, baby. I'll take that, boy. Come on. What do we got this time? Oh, whoa. What do we got this time? Smoke. Please don't tell me smoking again. Come on, grenades. Let's go! We just got ourselves some good old grenades. Perfect secondary. See what we got this time? So we got AK and grenades. You know, shotgun again. Wow. Got shotgun twice in a row. Okay. Let's go. Now for our final gun. How many do we have left? We have one left, so the only thing we can do is shurikens. Not shurikens. The only thing that I have that is one is smoke grenades, so you gotta be kidding me. The only thing I have is smoke grenades, so oh
Try.
yo, I'm doing well, yeah. Okay.
Can I have that? Can I have that streak?
Not gonna lie, I kind of want this
Match
streak over with
started.
because it puts a lot of pressure on me. So I actually wouldn't be that mad if I lose right now,
Round starting.
but not gonna try to. Is that AK, bro? Got one of them.
Oh, where? I don't see him.
Ah, it's fine, teammate. 14.
No, I'm just like everything.
A goal.
Round starting.
Oh my gosh.
Why am I actually selling? I was selling so hard right there. Why was I actually selling so hard right there? Okay.
Round starting.
Hit them, both of them.
Oh, I got one. I think you got him then, but...
Where the frick is he? Aw, oh, dang it.
Round starting.
Oh my. Oh, damn. Fudge, I'm cooked.
Oh.
Okay. Okay.
Round starting.
99. He's dead. This guy is like 101. Oh, good stuff, teammate. No one uses.
Round starting.
Oh my gosh, how are they freaking hitting me right now? Where the frick are they? Well,
Yes, I was stuck.
okay. It's fine.
Round starting.
GG's.
Oh.
GG's.
GG.
GG. Last loadout! Let's go. Let's see what we get. I'm trying to hope we get some good. Deagle. 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 Oh, let's go! It's been forever since Deagle, baby. Deagle! I'll take Deagle. I like Deagle. Deagle's like really good. It's literally in my current loadout I'm using. That's how good Deagle is. Okay. Second spin. Let's see what we get. Got machete. Revolver. Machete. Okay. I'm kind of booty at machete, but whatever. I'm kind of booty at machete. Actually, I should put it right here. Put this right here. Okay. Now, so we got a. Oh, where did my Deagle go? What the? Where's my Deagle? Where did my Deagle go? Okay. Third spin. Oh, wait. Boom. Okay. Let's see what we got. Shurikens. Shurikens. Please. Please. Shuriken. AK. Shurikens. Please. Please. Let's go! Shurikens are so good. Literally also in my loadout. That's how good shurikens are. That's how good shurikens are. We got 3 left. Okay. Let's see what we get. And we have got a winner. I'll take pistol. Boxing. Okay, we can't do AK. See you when I actually get. Oh my God. Please. 3 times in a row. 3 times. 3. This is the worst loadout ever. No, this is gonna be the worst one. This is the worst one. We don't even have grenades in this loadout. Okay? Whatever. Okay. Just real mind checker. The loadout is Deagle, shurikens, machete, and smoke grenade.
So, this is Editor Bonky while I'm editing this, and I just realized I never spun a wheel for a smoke grenade. Mother!
Okay. Random loadouts. Let's see what I get. This random loadout sucks, dude. I might be.
may have some oops.
This random loadout's gonna be terrible.
Yep.
Okay. Okay. Our best hope to win is just let's just hope he. Wait, let me go into teams. Okay.
Round starting.
Oh, I don't have grenades. This is gonna be great.
Wait. Calm down. To the beans. To the beans. To the beans. To the beans.
Okay. We got this.
Round starting.
Stay together.
How are you not dead? How are you not dead?
Ah,
How are you? Ah, there you go.
I was 1 HP, dude.
Round starting.
Confuse it. Okay.
Okay, I got one low. Nice.
What the?
Oh,
How did I even? Okay, you know what? Whatever.
Round starting.
Bro.
okay, that time I wasn't even there. You could have just.
Round starting.
Okay, I have to try this idea. Okay, so this guy's using a revolver.
He was just wall hogging.
Okay, this guy's using a revolver. Let me know.
Round starting.
M16.
They're gonna send me to the 80s.
Okay. Come back at the century might be possible. I'm not even gonna lie. Come back at the century might.
Round starting.
Get this dude.
But stop pulling off.
Nice. Come back of the century is probably possible. Come back of the century might be possible. I don't know. We got this, dude.
Round starting.
Come back of the century, maybe?
Okay, I got
You get him. You get him. No, you get him.
That's a throw.
You take him. Okay. Come back of the century might be possible. Okay, they're probably gonna do something else. Some death.
Round starting.
How did he hit me? Okay, you know what, whatever. Oh.
Hey, slow down there.
Bingo. Anyway, guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and comment down some video ideas that you want me to try, and I might do it. Barney is a dinosaur and he is constipated. He said ooh and sup-hoo, and that's how they're related. Barney is a dinosaur and he is constipated. He said ooh and sup-hoo, and that's how they're related.